Hey everyone, welcome back. If you need help with an order or account issues, you can contact SHEIN support inside the app. First, open the SHEIN app, then go to your account section. Now, tap on the support or help center or customer service survey center. Then what you're going to do is choose the issue you need help with or start a chat with the customer service. Provide clear details about your problem or for faster assistance. SHEIN support usually responds within a short time through the in app chat, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.